morning friends. So in today's video we are going to explore London's main financial centre, that is the Canary Wharf and the Piccadilly Circus. So stay tuned till the last of this video to know some interesting facts about Canary Wharf and Piccadilly Circus. Canary Wharf is the secondary central business district of London on the Isle of Dogs. Along with the City of London, it is one of the main financial centres in the UK, containing many high-rise buildings, including the third tallest in the UK, One Canada Square. Canary Wharf contains many of the UK's premier office spaces and tallest buildings. Famous financial companies like HSBC, Citibank, JP Morgan and Barclays are found here. Over 150,000 people work here, earning an average salary of over £115,000. Canary Wharf also offers urban living at its best. Stunning modern architecture, impressive public spaces, great transport links and world-class shoppings, restaurants, bars, gyms and other amenities. This place is also home to the impressive Museum of London, Docklands and Billingson Gate Market, the excellent Mudchute City Farm, the O2 Arena and the attraction of Greenwich are found nearby. Big screen TVs are erected here in the summer so that you can relax on the lawn watching sporting events like the Wimbledon Tennis Championships. The area also hosts frequent concerts such as the July 2016 Country and the Western Concert. In the winter, the area is converted into an ice rink.
Just a mile away from this crowded place, I could lay there next to you.
Canary Wharf is one of London's greener areas. There are some fantastic parks, particularly to the south, and Jubilee Park is effectively a roof garden built above an underground station. Canary Wharf provides one of the best spots in the city to watch and soak up the festival atmosphere of the London Marathon. The biggest advantage about Canary Wharf is its inspirational atmosphere. After seeing skyscrapers and office blocks, it can be a surprise to know there is a working farm within walking distance of Canary Wharf. Mudchute Park and Farm is open every day across 32 acres of city countryside. You can see cows, pigs, sheep, as well as ducks, chickens and turkeys too. Cabot Square is to the west of One Canada Square and is dominated by an impressive central fountain. To the west of Canary Wharf Estate, West Ferry Circus is beautifully planted walled garden in the center of a roundabout, and Jubilee Park is over a rooftop of Canary Wharf Station with lots of trees, grassy areas and water features that makes you quickly forget you are in the city. Canary Wharf itself takes its name from the sea trade with Canary Islands, whose name originates from the Latin canis. One Canada Square was the first Canary Wharf building to be built during the redevelopment and stands at 235 meters tall.
a crown, a crown, a crown, a king and a queen royally bound. Yeah, both called it from the beginning. Called it. We knew that there had to be us. Knew that there had to be us. We do what we gotta do to stay winning, winning. The fuss and the fights we're keeping trust. And you make me wanna say, I love you better today than yesterday. Every day is gonna play out the same, the same, the same, the same. Hey, I love you better today than yesterday. Every day is gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. Growing as one, not growing apart. Apart. Say what we mean. Say it.
Canary Wharf is a paradise for shopping. There are two shopping malls, the Canada Palace Shopping Mall and the Jubilee Palace Shopping Mall. There is also shopping at the Churchill Palace too. Linked to Custom House DLR station on the west end and Prince Regent station on the eastern entrance, this huge exhibition center has impressive annual shows and conferences. There's a focus on higher-end clothes stores for the business shopper such as Ralph Lauren and Paul Smith for men. There's also quality clothes brand for non-work timing including Ted Baker, Gap, Zara and Superdry. And the gift shopping is good and company links of London and chocolates.
I love you better today than yesterday.
Piccadilly Circus is one of London's most popular tourist attractions. The circus is particularly known for its video display and neon signs mounted on the corner building on the northern side, as well as the memorial fountain and the statue of Antrios. Sit by the famous statue of Eros or take some photos in front of the iconic advertising screens. The statue of Eros is not actually Eros himself but his twin brother Antrios. Antrios represents mature selfless love while Eros was the god of romantic love. This gives an entirely different meaning to the statue's purpose altogether. It is an affluent street that is home to a selection of upmarket stores including clothes, shops, bookshops and jewellery shops. Top things to do in Piccadilly Circus: see the Piccadilly lights, check out the theatre district, discover Harry Potter locations, visit Trafalgar Square. This Christmas, Piccadilly Circus Street reveals the best Christmas lights in London. From Oxford Street to Canberra Street, it has one of the most amazing lightnings. From Oxford Street to Trafalgar Square and up to the London has the best Christmas lightnings. So guys, if you have enjoyed this small video tour of Canary Wharf and Piccadilly Circus, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.